नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका एक बार फिर से स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल आयुमेड स्टडीज पर। आज हम फंडामेंटल ऑफ चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी का मॉड्यूल 3 देखेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, Erikson was founder of. The right answer is option A, psychosocial development. Question number 2, during stage 2, ideally the toddler will develop an appropriate sense of autonomy. If not, he or she will then. The right answer is option A, suffer from dependence. Question number 3, according to Erikson epigenetic principles, the negative personality tendencies that typically result from troubles during a stage of development are usually. The right answer is option B, maladaptive and malignant. Question number 4, according to Erikson during stage 4, the right answer is option D, all of the above होगा। इसके A, B, C तीनों सही हैं, इसमें आंसर राइट D होगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, when does a person reach the latency stage and develop a capacity for industry? The right answer is option D, both A and C। इसमें A वाला भी ऑप्शन सही है और C भी सही है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, during stage 5, the adolescent will first realize the onset of. The right answer is option D, all of the above। तीनों A, B, C सही है। राइट आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा डी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, इन ऑर्डर टू हेल्प सारा विद हर डिसरप्टिव क्लासरूम बिहेवियर द टीचर शुड। द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, अडॉप्ट अ मोर केयरिंग एटीट्यूड एंड नॉट पास जजमेंट अपॉन सारा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, चिल्ड्रन हु गिवन अनरेस्ट्रिक्टेड फ्रीडम। द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, डेवलप द इम्प्रेशन दैट दे आर नॉट फॉर एनीथिंग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, Vedic is 5-year-old and loves to play house. However, her nanny has been interjecting quite frequently, saying no, you don't play house that way, and proceeds to tell the children how to play house. What stage is Jill in? The right answer is option B, early childhood. Question number 10, baby Rachita continually cries during the night. Her mom is feeling tired but continues to get up during the night. Mom or dad always pick Rachita up and rock her back to sleep or feed her when she is hungry. What stage is Rachita in? The right answer is option B, infancy. Question number 13 देखेंगे अब, सॉरी 11 देखेंगे। Abhinav is an imaginative young boy. He plays many make-believe games with his toys. One day, Abhinav is playing with his toys in the living room when his dad walks in and steps on one of the toys. Abhinav's dad yells out, "Ouch!" Abhinav, what are all these stupid toys doing lying around the room? You are too old for playing with toys. Clean these up right now. Abhinav picks up his toys quietly and leaves the room. The right answer is option A, toddler. Question number 12. The psychosocial task during one's high school years to achieve a sense of. The right answer is option A, industry. Question number 13. Pick the correct order of stage in development. The right answer is option B, oral, anal, phallic, latency and genital. Question number 14. What is an example of regression? The right answer is option C, returning to an earlier age to cope with situation. Question number 15. Forcing thought to remain unconscious in order to avoid the anxiety that would result if they were conscious is the definition of which Freudian defense mechanism? The right answer is option D, repression. Question number 16 देखेंगे। Which of the following statement is false in describing a person with a high achievement motive? The right answer is option A, they consistently get better grades from easy chosen course. Question number 17. Use the following story of answer question 17 to 19. Tom and Sally have been dating for 2 years. Sally breaks up with Tom because he cheated on her with Betty. Sally tells her friend Kelly about Tom, but she tells her without showing any emotion. Tom continues to call Sally and treat her as he did when they were going out. Betty, who did not know about Sally, tells Tom that she is glad that he feels guilty for hurting Sally. She also tells him that it will take a long time to get over the guilt. Sally's using defense mechanisms are as a. The right answer is option D, isolation. Question number 18 देखेंगे। Tom and Sally have been dating for 2 years. Sally breaks up with Tom because he cheated on her with Betty. Sally tells her friend Kelly about Tom, but she tells her without showing any emotion. Tom continues to call Sally and treat her as he did when they were going out. Betty, who did not know about Sally, tells about Tom that she is glad that he feels guilty for hurting Sally. She also tells him that it will take a long time to get over the guilt Tom is using as a defense mechanism. The right answer is option B, denial. Question number 19. Tom and Sally have been dating for 2 years. Sally breaks up with Tom because he cheated on her with Betty. Sally tells her friend Telly about Tom, but she tells her without showing any emotion. Tom continues to call Sally and treat her as he did when they were going out. Betty, who did not know about Sally, tells Tom that she is glad that he feels guilty for hurting Sally. She also tells him that it will make a long time to get over the guilt Betty is using as a defense mechanism. The right answer is option C, projection. Question number 20. Sally is a student who always gets her work done. She also is the president of her class and likes to be friend with everybody. She always knows the latest gossip and at the same time strives to do better in school. She never misses a class meeting and is always trying new things to make her school better. Sally exhibits what kind of motivation? The right answer is achievement, power and affiliation. तीनों आंसर सही है. राइट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 देखेंगे. George is driving from his house to his friend house, which is across town. He drives there at least 3 times a week and knows that it takes a half hour to get there. He leaves at 4:30, expecting to arrive at 5. When he next look at a clock, it is 4:55. He noticed that he is only a block from her house, but he doesn't even remember driving there. George is exhibiting what kind of unconsciousness behavior? The right answer is option B, subliminal perception. The right answer is option B, subliminal perception. Question number 22 देखेंगे. According to Sigmund Freud, the superego, the right answer is responsible for gender identity and sexual orientation. Question number 23. The motive that is defined as the need to seek excellence and success is called. The right answer is option B, achievement motivation. Question number 24. Anna's husband dies and she continues to set a place for him at the dinner table. This is an example of. The right option is B, denial. Question number 25. Which of the following common beliefs of hypnosis are partially true? The right answer is option A. A problem or habit can be cured by hypnosis. Question number 26. People in elected office usually have a higher motive. The right answer is option B, power. Question number 27. A sugar pill is an example of. Right answer is option D, placebo. Question number 28. The theory that Freud proposed, claiming many of his female partners had developed their psychiatric disturbances because they were victims of childhood sexual abuse, most often incest, by their father, is termed as. The right answer is option B, seduction hypothesis. Question number 29. Which of these tests are projective tests? Right answer is option D, both A and B. मतलब थेमेटिक एप्रिसिएशन टेस्ट और रोस्टर इनकॉबलेट टेस्ट भी दोनों आंसर होंगे. आंसर डी हो जाएगा इसमें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30 देखेंगे. Impulsive displays of power including aggression, drinking and sexual exploitation and described as a consequent state or motive pattern are characterized by. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 31. Courtney is extremely anxious about taking her first midterm in her biology class. The night before her midterm, she doesn't think she can succeed on the exam. She expects to fail even if she studies, so she decided to go to the bar and drinks excessively. She later uses the alcohol consumed in the bar instead of lack of ability to justify her grade. She is using a behavior is known as. The right answer is D, self-handicapping strategies. Question number 32. This stage of development usually occurs at the age of 1 to 3, the ego starts to develop and the ID is somewhat controlled. The right answer is option B, anal. Question number 33. From Freud's 5 defense mechanisms, which of the following situation is an example of isolation? The right answer is option C. Megan lost her job last night. Her best friend, who knew how much Megan loved her job, asked her she was doing. Megan responded very calmly by saying, I did not really like the job anyway. Right answer इसका C होगा. थोड़ा एडिटिंग मिस्टेक हो गई है तो उसके लिए सॉरी. इसका आंसर राइट सी होगा 33 का. 34 क्वेश्चन देखे हो. Who is sophomore in college? She loves everyone she meets and is always desiring to have a lot of friends. She never seems satisfied with the friends she already has. Julie is probably high in. Right answer is option A, affiliation motivation. Question number 35. Which of the following statements are not true? Right answer is option D. Type B personality appears to be associated with frustrated power motivation. Question number 36. When two independent coders code the same test and then compare score, is the right answer is option D, intercoder reliability. Question number 37. A person with a high affiliation motivation would have all of the following characteristics except. The right answer is option C, a large amount of friends. Question number 38. Desiring prestige positions are a characteristic of which motivation? The right answer is B, power motivation. Question number 39. Which of the following is not true of the psychoanalyst Freud? The right answer is option C, develop theories that are still widely accepted today. Question number 40. Which of the Freud's 3 main structure of personality is described to be unconscious and pleasure seeking? The right answer is option B, ID. Question number 41. In the present time, how does a psychiatrist typically treat his her patient? The right answer is option A, by prescribing medication. Question number 42. What is in the Freudian stage of development? The right answer is option C, depression. Question number 43. What job would best be affiliated with power motivation? The right answer is option A, teacher. Question number 44. Which of the following motivations are psychology? Which of the following motivations are psychology students usually highest on? The right answer is option B, power. Question number 45. Almost every weekend, Jan goes to all the parties she hears about. Once there, she goes around introducing herself and asking for phone numbers from those she meets. The next day, she spends hours talking on the phone to the new friends she meets, telling them about herself, such as her future goal of becoming a wedding coordinator. In this occupation, she can meet new people and always be aware of who marrying whose. Which motive could Jan probably score highly on? The right answer is option D, affiliation motivation. Question number 46. Raju has been having family problems lately. He has started drinking heavily the past few months. Whenever his friend approach him and accuse him of having a drinking problem, he acts like he doesn't know what they are talking about and denies the whole thing. Raju is illustrating which of the following? The right option is option D, denial. Question number 47. According to Freud, which stage of development pertains to that fact that anything involving the mouth is a sexual activity? The right answer is option B, oral. Question number 48. Which of the following would be a characteristic of someone high in achievement motivation but low in power motivation? The right answer is option B, wants to work hard but not for social organization. Question number 49. Which one of the following is the correct logical order of the observational learning process according to the learning theory of Bandura? The right answer is option D, attentional, retentional, production, motivational. Question number 50. Bandura's theory is based on which of the following? The right answer is option A, self-efficacy. Question number 51. The psychologist who used Bobo dolls in his studies in the learning is. The right answer is option A, Bandura. Question number 52. Nancy has a skill of observing things. She learns very fast by observing. According to you, which psychologist theory is dependent on this skill of Nancy? The right answer is option C, Bandura. 50. Question number 50 देखो, social learning and discovery learning are related to respectively. The right answer is option D, Albert Bandura and Jerome Hedruna. Question number 54. Albert Bandura is associated with which of the following? The right answer is option A, social learning theory. number 55. Which of the following is the process in the social observation learning theory of Bandura? The right answer is option B, retention. Question number 56. The theory of learning proposed by Albert Bandura is, the right answer is option D, social learning theory. Question number 56. A child angrily hits a playmate in the same way that he has been punished at home. It is an example of, the right answer is option C, observational learning. Question number 58. Theory of social learning emphasize on which of the following factors? The right answer is option B, nurture. Question number 59. Which one of the following was of the view that anything that can be learned by direct experience can also be learned from observation? Models are most effective if they are seen as having spread competence, high status or power. Thus, in most cases, teachers can be highly influential models. The right answer is option B, Bandura. Question number 60. According to ecological theorists, the definition of problem behaving arises from, the right answer is option C, context in which the behavior occurs. Question number 61. According to Bronfenbrenner's ecological system theory, a single mother who is forced to get a job to pay bills that but receives no health insurance because she works part-time is most likely to create a disturbance in the child. The right answer is option C, microsystem and exosystem. Question number 62. When evaluating variables in a child's ecosystem, it is most important and feasible to determine. The right answer is option A, which variable contribute to the disturbance and which ones can be changed. Question number 63. Who proposed the bioecological system theory? The right answer is option Bronfenbrenner. Question number C. Question number 64. What is the outermost system in the ecological model? Right answer is option A, chronosystem. Question number 65. Which level in the bioecological model is characterized by interaction between immediate environments? The right answer is option C, the mesosystem. Question number 66 देखेंगे, in which bioecological system would a parent's workplace be located? The right answer is option D, exosystem. Question number 67. Which type of parenting would be characterized as a high and touching involvement with the children while placing very few restrictions on them? The right answer is option C, indulgent parenting. Question number 68. Which types of parenting would be characterized as encouraging independence but providing clear boundaries and limits for behavior? The right answer is option A, authoritative parenting. Question number 69. In which system of Bronfenbrenner's theories are links between the family and the school? The right answer is option B,